Come on. Come on over here.
Feel that.
Here, look at, no, it's okay.
But sometimes that elephant gets bigger the closer it gets, huh?
Just touch him, Lucas, please.
Little tickle.
You don't want to touch it?
Yeah, give me this and touch him, please.
You can tickle
Come
him.
here, give me,
Touch
come on,
him.
come on, come over.
No, he's gonna eat that if you get closer there.
Watch her eat. You gotta come over here though, so she
Here,
just
I'll
come
hold
over
you.
here.
Want me to hold
So
you?
you can watch. Okay?
There you go.
And sister comes up too.
Yeah.
Yes.
Come close. Come here.
Okay.
Touch him once. Just touch him once, Lucas.
Quick, quick, quick.
Oh, look at him.
Lucas, be a big boy.
You're scared. That's okay.
Elizabeth, please touch him.
That's okay. It
Come
doesn't.
here, Elizabeth. Come here. I'll be here for you.
Come on, Elizabeth.
Watch.
Real quick.
It's 2
real
seconds.
quick.
1, 2, 3.
It's like rough.
Yeah.
I dare you.
Like a bug.
Come on.
You
Come
bet.
on. You're a big girl.
Okay, I'll
Touch
feed
it,
her
touch it.
something.
See?
See?
That was
Awesome.
Luca.
Awesome.
There we go.
I'm so proud of you.
Okay, ven acá.
Okay, you